What's up, what it do, and what it do. For those of you that are new here, my name is Alethea. Welcome to the channel. For my oldie but goodies, thank you guys so much for coming back to check out another video here on my little old channel. So in this video, I've done this colorful blue look. Yes, this colorful blue look. I really think it came out very cute, very gorgeous. I love it, and I'm sure you will as well. So if you would like to see how I got this blue look, please continue to watch. All right, you guys, so let's use the Warrior 3 by Juvia for this look. So for our crease, we're going to start off with the color Kahina, and I'm just going to put this in our crease and get this color to the intensity that would make this look pop. Right. So just keep blending and blending, blend up, blend in the crease, and just get it like you want it. And then after that, I'm going to go in with my mineralized skin finish to do my brow bone, because I'm not doing a brow bone highlight this time. And you all know a lot of times I choose to do this versus doing a brow bone highlight, because I just feel like some looks do not need a brow bone highlight. So therefore, this is what I do. So I'm going to go back in with that brush, and I'm going to blend those two colors together without adding more color. And then we're going to go in with the color Masai in the crease. And I just want this color in the crease just to intensify that crease a little bit. And side note, before we go on with this video, I would like to do one of the assumptions about me videos. So if you have anything that you would like to know about me, please leave those questions below so that we can discuss it in a video. Okay, so while I wouldn't call this look a cut crease, I am going to hit my eyelids, I'm going to hit them with some soft ochre paint pot from MAC. And this is just to kind of help my color be bright and intensify it a bit. So like I said, I'm not considering this a cut crease. I just want the color to be a little bit more intensified. And the color that I'm going to go with on my lid is Gola. It's just a nice little, not necessarily a periwinkle blue because it's darker than a periwinkle, but it's just a nice little blue color. So after I got through putting that on there, I felt like it needed a little bit of bling to it. It needed to pop. So I'm going to take this shimmer color. It's called Congo. It's coming up. I'm a little bit ahead. But it's called Congo, and I'm going to put this on my lid to intensify that just a little bit more. And I start off using a brush to get this color on, but the payoff was not there. So I had to switch to using my finger, and that just really did the trick. And then some of that color kind of went up a little bit because of me using my finger. So then I had to go back into my crease with the color Masai just to make that line a bit straighter again, to keep it from looking messy or sloppy. And then after that, of course, I go back in with the color Kahina just to make sure everything is blended 100%. And I forgot to show that part here. I think I somehow missed that part on the clip. So anyway, I'm using this liner from Urban Decay. Most of my liners are from Urban Decay. And then I put this color called Fancy on to smudge out my waterline. And then for my inner corner, I used the color Karama. But after I got through doing it, I felt like the color wasn't intensified enough for me. So then I went in with the Demolition from Urban Decay, another eyeliner from Urban Decay. And then I used this velour liner and glue in one to line my eye as well as get ready for my falsies. And I did not do so well on the first try, so the lash did not stay on, and then I did it again. But in its defense, I'm not going to say it's the liner, because I always mess up on my right eye for some reason. Oh, and a side note, just so that you guys know, these are press-on nails that are on my hand. I am not ready to take my chances with going to the nail salon, so I just went to Walmart with my mask on, of course, and I bought me some press-on nails. I know a lot of people have come out of quarantine, and I go to the store when I need to, but I'm still doing what I can to protect myself and protect my family. So that completes this look. I do hope you enjoyed every minute of this look.
And if there's anything that you would like to see here on my channel, please do leave that below. Thank you so much for coming by to see another video. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video across all your social media sites. So until the next time and in between time, you ladies and gentlemen be safe, and I will do what? See you in the next one. Bye.